Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube video. Today we are going to talk about Neptune, my third favorite planet in the solar system. So, what is Neptune? Neptune is the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun. It is the fourth largest planet in the solar system by diameter, the third most massive planet and the densest giant planet. It is 17 times the mass of Earth and slightly more massive than near twin Uranus. For goodness sake, I hate that word. So, yeah, it's the furthest planet from the solar system now since 2006, after Pluto got excluded from the planet family. It's now Neptune is the furthest planet in the solar system. So moving on now, guys. So this is what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about the surface, the atmosphere, interior, and its moons. So, can you all guess which is the first one? Atmosphere, of course. Atmosphere always comes first. So, Neptune's atmosphere is made up mostly of hydrogen and helium with just a little but of Neptune's atmosphere is made up mostly of hydrogen and helium with just a little but of methane. Neptune's neighbor Uranus is a blue-green color due to such atmospheric methane, but Neptune is a more vivid, brighter blue. So there must be an unknown component that causes the more intense color. Neptune was also known to have an eye, also called a dark spot or wizard's eye, just below the Neptune's equator, like on Jupiter. But in 1994, when the Hubble Space Telescope had observed Neptune, they noticed the eye of the storm had vanished. So, yeah, the color of the planet is very, very blue, but the neighboring planet Uranus, this planet next to Neptune is greenish blue. But and of course, for the eye bit, that looks like Jupiter's eye. Apparently, it disappeared in 1994 when the Hubble Space Telescope observed Neptune. They noticed that the eye storm had in fact disappeared. So, why did the Neptune's dark spot vanish? Why did it happen? So, as far as we know, the persistence of companion clouds show that former dark spots may continue to exist as cyclones even though they are no longer visible as a dark feature. Dark spots may dissipate when they migrate too close to the equator or possibly go through some other unknown mechanisms. So, just to be clear, no one actually knows what is happening to those spots on Neptune. Why do they come? Why did they go? We don't know that yet. So, moving on now. The surface. Well, as you probably may know that already because it's a gas giant planet, Neptune does not have a solid surface. So like I explained in the other planet videos, from Jupiter to Uranus, Um, when a spacecraft has nowhere to land, it will not be able to go through the planet, and it will not be able to go back out in the outer space. Once the planet go once the spacecraft goes into the Neptune's atmosphere, it will just get stuck there forever, and it will never ever come back out again. Because the reason for that is there's a lot of pressure and a very strong gravity. Because Neptune is a very big planet and 17 times larger than a planet Earth. So that's why its gravity is way stronger than the Earth's gravity. But if a spacecraft goes in, it will never come back out again. So now we're going to talk about the interior of Neptune, what's inside. So Neptune's interior is located just below its atmosphere. It is made up of mantle and core. Mantle is made of water, ammonia, and methane ices. Core is made of rock and ice. So this is all we know so far about the Neptune's interior, but we don't fully know yet what the interior is actually made of. But this is what the scientists think about the Neptune's interior. This is what they think it might look like on the inside, but the real answer is still remains unknown. Okay, now the moons. We're going to talk about the moons now of Neptune. The planet Neptune has 14 known moons, which are named for minor water deities in Greek mythology. By far the largest of them is Triton, discovered by William Lassell on October the 10th, 1846. Over a century later, more moons were discovered. So Nereid was discovered in 1949. Proteus was discovered in 1989 along with 11 others. So this is the line of the moons of Neptune. Um, some of them like Galatea, Despina, Thalassa, and Nea. I can't pronounce the last one, the bottom, the one that begins with N. But these last four moons at the bottom, we don't even know what they actually look like, because none of the telescopes we have, including Hubble Space Telescope and James Webb Telescope, even they can't see what these moons actually look like, because Neptune is extremely far away from the Sun and from the Earth. So this is as far as we know about Neptune's moons at the moment, but hopefully soon we'll know more about them later. Probably when I'm about 100 years old. Anyway, moving on now, guys. So where is Neptune in the night sky? So now we're going to take you to the star map. Excuse me. There, hang on. Here we go. So this is where the Neptune is right now in the night sky. It is located just underneath the Pisces head. Okay, as you can see, there's Pisces in the night sky just sitting in the west, and is located next to Jupiter. And just below the Pisces head is the Neptune, where the pointy thing is. It's located in right ascension 23 hours, 44 minutes and 17 seconds, and is 3.02 degrees south. So it rises at 10:57 in the morning and sets at 10:42 in the evening at Turkish time. So if you want to see Neptune, unfortunately, it is not possible to see Neptune with a naked eye. To be able to see Neptune, you're going to have a very, very powerful telescope, like those really big ones you see on the mountains. Uh, you know, those observatory stations where they look at the night skies and that. These are the smallest telescopes that you can use to actually look at Neptune from the ground. But of course, it's visible through Hubble Space Telescope and James Webb Space Telescope. But even these two can't have full details about the Neptune yet, or what it actually looks like, and if it has dark spots or not. But yeah, this is exactly where Neptune is located right now, just right underneath the Pisces head. So now we're going to go back to the presentation. Sorry about this fuzzy bit here. So, what are we going to talk about in the next video? Well, to be honest, guys, I do not have a next video to tell you guys yet. I'm still thinking about what to create. Um, but I do have new videos coming very soon, you guys. Maybe tomorrow, maybe in 2 days, maybe in 5 days, I don't know, maybe in a week. So let's go back to the camera now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a thumbs up, like, subscribe.